I made a mistake and I put TPU in the AMS. That is a bad thing to do. You do not put, you got to put it on a spool holder. But what ended up happening? The filament got jammed in it. I had to disconnect my AMS. So the first hardship was to get this PTF tube out of this PTF tube feeder, okay? That had the TPU and it was in here and I couldn't pull it out. So what you need to do is you need to just press, and you keep pressing in here hard, you know, enough, and then this will release. Then you'll have this still in the back of your AMS jammed in there, and you'll try to pull it out. There's nothing to press here. The key is there is a button. You would simply press on these two sides here. You press towards you, and then it releases this from the back. That's the key. This is the button on both sides. And then you'll be able to have this here that is probably like mine and jammed in here. Well, my AMS came with some parts, and one of the parts was this Allen key. There's a screw down here and there's a screw in here, and you get these two out, and since this is magnetic, it holds it when it pulls it up and out. Because you can't just lift this up and out. You have to pull it from here up and out like this. There's this little piece here, you just got to pull it towards you. Now I can see all of these tubes here, and I can see that this one's running through here. I need to then push on this, and you'll see that here's the piece here, because this released it, right? There's always that push on something and it releases the tube. I'm just pulling it through this, and now I've got it this far, okay? Woohoo! Isn't that amazing? See this here? I press here and press here at the same time on this button, and this, and I'm lucky it didn't snap. Oh, it's still coming. And I just keep going, pulling. Hopefully it's not gonna snap. Boom, bada bing. Now we gotta put it all back together. So I'm just gonna go in the reverse order, take this tube, press on this here, make sure it's totally in there snug, the guides, and this is great. Oh, look. I actually disconnected these things accidentally, so these have to go back in the spots. So as you can see, there's one there, and there's two different types. As you can see, it's in this one and in that one. Now let's try to put this back without pulling it out. Get this around that. There we go. So as you can see, the tube here needs to go properly. Okay, very important part, this thing that you press here gets this tube aligned with this right in there, so because it has to feed through, right? So now we have to put this back through the back. I think this was here. Put that through, and remember we got to press on the other side, and then you got to press this button here so it feeds it in. You'll see the smallest little bit of it that it's went in, and if you pull on this, it is locked. And this should be good now. Now we have to reattach it. Making sure that you put the screws with this magnetic little screw, that you screw this back in. And we have to now insert this. Make sure you got your handy little presser. You press this in. That releases the locking device. Put that in, and it should be snug. And then you take the power and you plug that back in to the AMS. Here's a little tip. Add some green tape here and go, no TPU. Very important. I don't want this happening again. Now let's turn it on and do a test print.